Alright guys, this video has been I don't want to say a long time coming because this channel hasn't really been going for a long time. It's actually been very quickly that we've gone from, 2 months ago, not even, from having 200 subs to 1,300. So that's awesome, guys. And I thought about, I guess it's finally time for, I've been preaching complete honesty with subscribers of any channel. So I think it's time for me to be completely honest, even though some of these answers you guys might not like, but I'm just going to get right into it and read some questions off this computer that people have asked. And if I read a question that's been asked multiple times, I'll read it from the one either I see first or the one that has like the most questions within it, so I can answer multiple at once. And I'll put the questions that the other people that ask the questions, I'll put their comments on the screen as well. So we will have that as well. We'll have a lot of questions. The first question, so this wasn't the first question asked, but it is a question that I should answer, and it's part of a question from T90 here. Yeah, T9. So this person T90 has this giant list of questions. So I'm actually reading a lot of these off of his. But the first question within his, and obviously other people have asked it, is how old are you? So this is actually a lot of things people ask. I've had people say I'm 20, people say I'm 12, people say I'm 30. This is the one answer that I feel like people won't like. And I've had it before. I had it on Twitch a while ago. The second you tell people how old you are, unless you're like 30 or something like that, you lose half your fans or half your followers. Or just, you lose a certain amount because you're either too old or too young at that point. But in all honesty, I'm 17. That's do with that as you must. And then follow-up question is, okay, our follow-up question is from Daniel X, and he asks, do you have a college or uni degree? If yes, then which one? And follow-up also, favorite FaZe Clan member. Do I have a college or uni degree? Like I said, to follow up, I'm 17. I'm still in high school. I have to finish this year, and then I have one more year of this hell that our American school system calls a high school. And it is not fun. It is a horrible experience. But no, I do not have a degree. When I do go to college, I would like to get a degree in computer engineering. Would be my strong choice for obvious reasons. You build computers, that's pretty fun. Okay, and the next question that's gotten asked a bunch of times, so basically I'll just lay a bunch of comments that people have asked it, is how much money I make. And how do I make money to build computers? We'll put them together. First of all, for how much money I make on YouTube, I make exactly $0 a day, $0 an hour, $0 a year, $0 a decade. I have made zero whole dollars from YouTube. They do not pay me, and they will not pay me for a long time. For YouTube to pay you money for monetization, even though they're still going to play ads on your videos, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, which dope, we reached that, awesome, thanks guys, and 4,000 watch hours, which is, yeah, okay, I understand having a certain amount of watch hours, but 4,000 is a shit ton of watch hours. That is not the kind of watch hours a 1,000 especially a channel that doesn't, like mine, that doesn't do videos every single day. A 1,000 subscriber channel does videos every day, could reach that. But a 1,000 subscriber channel that doesn't post every day will have a hard time reaching that many hours. And I think it's unfair, but that's fine. We'll just keep going. So for now and for probably a while, I will not make any money on YouTube. And then where do I get my money for these PC giveaways? I work a job. I work at a pizza place. I deliver pizzas and I put some of the money each week into like my subscriptions, like i.e. I pay for Premiere Pro and Photoshop, in that package, and I pay for Spotify because I need music because I would go crazy without music, I swear. And then some of it goes into improving my videos, i.e. better cameras, like this 4K camera I'm filming on. There's a solid $500 I spent on that. This desk, I bought this new desk for building computers. This was another $150 for this desk. That's the kind of stuff where I put some of that money into, and then the rest of it just goes straight, like the majority of it, 75 to 80% goes straight into just buying computer parts to build new computers. So every week I'll make like $200. Really, that's really how much I make. I mean, I work Friday and Saturday. Sometimes I work weekdays, but really it's Friday and Saturday for a couple hours, and I make about $200 a week. And I just put all of it into improving videos, even though obviously you can't see much improvement because they still suck. and building giveaway computers. I've had questions. How many computers do you make? It's weird. I've only made like 3 computers. My Threadripper build and like the giveaway PC and then the clone of the giveaway PC. So a lot of people don't know this. My hope would be that whenever I build a giveaway PC, I'm able to build a duplicate of it, because when I build something, I like to use it. So with the 7700K build, I just happened to already have a 7700K, and I bought a new one because I didn't want to give you guys a used part. So I was able to basically, I don't want to say clone, but yeah, replicate it pretty well, the same parts, RX 580. So I do have 2 of those. I only have 1/3. And then we have another question. We have another question, which is what PC do I have, or what computer do I use? And I built myself a 2920X Threadripper, 12 cores, 24 threads. And also, quick spoiler announcement, I'm probably going to do a video, because I don't think a lot of people know about cores, threads, per thread performance, stuff like that, and how Threadripper is not actually good for gaming, and more cores don't help with gaming. So I want to do a video on that, kind of explain that to people. But yeah, I built a 2920X Threadripper and 1080 Ti system. It's working really well so far. I have fucked up the cooling very badly though, so I have just all fans pushing out air, which is bad because that just sucks in dust through all the cracks and crevices of your case, and that is not good. Alright, we have a question here from Wolfie Ice, which is a fun one. Is, are you single? And the follow-up says, if not, you can tell where that's going. But the question is, are you single? And as of tonight, this is actually, well, it's this morning, but as of Saturday night, May, whatever the fuck the most recent Saturday of when this video was posted, I am not single. I have a girlfriend who is female. So what I'm also going to try to do is preemptively answer questions that I know are going to be asked. Like, if I said I'm not single, I'd be like, oh, who's the lucky guy? Nope, she is a full-fledged female as far as I know. So I do have a girlfriend. Sorry, guys. Yes, because everyone was looking for this beautiful face. But that's that question. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, yeah, I received the question a couple times, why the name Dinky, like Dinky the Sink. Literally, it just came out of nowhere. It came out of absolutely nowhere. I was trying to make an account for ESEA, which is a competitive Counter-Strike, because if you don't know, I was a professional Counter-Strike player for a while, not really a while. I was Premier player, then I was kind of pro on a Russian team, and then I wasn't. But basically, I tried to make an ESEA account so I can get better, and it's basically they just have better anti-cheat, 128-tick servers, stuff like that. And I was like, I need a name. And all of a sudden, just Dinky came up. I was like, okay, Dinky. I typed that in. It didn't work. And then I was like, the Sink. And then that worked. And as to how why I spell Dinky the way it does, I don't know. I just didn't know that Y. I always forget the letter Y exists, so I always do IE in so many situations. So let's move on to the next question. Okay, this question is from Quinn, also known as Jury on my live streams. Thank you. He has side note, this person, Quinn, has gifted 20-something subs to my Twitch, which is amazing, because each sub is actually worth to me $2.50. It costs the person $5. But his question is, would you rather be on Twitch or YouTube? And also, why? Personally, I would actually rather... See, that's the thing. I would rather be on both. I know that's kind of a cheap answer, but I like having videos. I like it that people can see what I make after it's happening. I would love to be able to live stream on Twitch all the time, and because I think Twitch is a better platform for allowing creators to make money in different ways and stuff like that, and actually allowing people to do stuff. But I think there's a lot of opportunities with YouTube as well. Not exactly making money through YouTube, but I think you get sponsorships, you can meet a lot of people, and like I said, your videos can get viewed. Yes, I know Twitch streams become videos, but it's not like anything where you can edit and make videos and put them on YouTube that look amazing. But also Twitch, I would love to be able to live stream on Twitch all the time. As you know, my internet is garbage. I'm working on changing, but where I am is not easy. And now you guys know I'm 17, so that's why I can't just switch my internet or build a new office in my house. These aren't things I can choose. I can only tell the second I answered the first question, half the people watching just disappeared, but that's fine. Okay, let's move on to the deeper questions, I guess you'd call them.